Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 27 May 2018, 07 of hour, 03 of minute and 36 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how much does it cost to install an alarm system in a car? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how much does it cost to install an alarm system in a car. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about how much does it cost to install an alarm system in a car. Installation of a basic car alarm typically costs another $50 to $200 or more, depending on the complexity of the system and the ease of access inside the vehicle's dash, bringing the total cost to $80 to $500. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.